Hey guys, it's Mike again. Welcome to another eating show today. Today I'm eating another fast food restaurant and it is Jack in the Box. Here I got this big drink here, Jack in the Box. What I have here is Fanta pineapple flavor, which is very good. And I got two bags here, right here. So let me unbag those. The meat lovers burrito, the wrap, tiny taco, sandwiches, another sandwich, large fries, another, oh yeah, chicken sandwich. All right, here we go. Let's start eating them right now. First, I'm gonna try this spicy chicken. Mmm. Tastes so good. Right, now I got this tiny tacos, which is an interesting idea. Okay. Try some ranch dip here. Guess all this is just like tortilla chips and then just put some random fillings in it. Next, let me try this. Super good. Mmm. It's got a lot of bacon in it. As you can see, it's really good. Next, let me try this chicken wrap. The wrap itself kind of old. Mmm. I like how crispy the chicken is in this wrap here. It's really good. All right, next, meat lovers burrito. Oh yeah. It's really good. We got bacon, we got sausage, ham, and the egg. Alright guys, I'm super full right now. I think I had one wrap, one burrito, and 2 sandwiches. So I'll probably save this last chicken sandwich until later. I'm gonna eat some of the fries and some tiny tacos, and that will be done from the video. I do like an idea of the tiny taco though, but I wish the filling inside is a little better. Like maybe some actual meat or just, you know, I don't know, something more tasty. I think what's inside is just some beans. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That was very satisfying. Hope you're enjoying this video, and please like and subscribe. I got so many other restaurants I want to try, so there's gonna be a lot of contents coming in the future. And I will see you in the next video.